Hello my pre-calculus student. In this video we are going to write the augmented matrix for a system of linear equations. But first let's talk about what is a matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of number So let's look at the example. So if we have one matrix, then we call matrix, but if we have many, then we call matrices. So if I have this matrix, it have -4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 8. So this is one matrix. So if this matrix, you can see right here that it have 2 rows and 3 columns. Now if I talk about the dimension of this matrix, you will put row first and then column next. Okay, so therefore this matrix, the dimension will be 2 by 3. Okay, let's look at the next matrix here. This matrix, it will be a square matrix. So 1, 0, 0, 1. So we talk about the dimension of this matrix. Will be row first, so you have 2 rows, and then go to column, you have 2 columns. So if the number of rows and the number of columns it is identical number, we call this is a square matrix. The next one we'll talk what kind of matrix that we call identity matrix. Identity matrix is an n by n matrix with 1 is on its diagonal. I want to say main diagonal, and 0 elsewhere. So you can look this matrix right here. This is the identity matrix. Why would what do we mean when we say n by n? This means when the row and the column will be identical. So let's write out the example. So the identity matrices, so I'm going to go ahead and give you 2 examples of identity matrices. So we'll do with 1, 0, 0, 1. So if you can look at this matrix, you can see that you have 2 rows, 2 columns, so that means 2 by 2. and then it have 1 on the diagonal. So when I say main diagonal, it means that you start from left to right. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight it so you know that. So this is the main diagonal, and elsewhere will be 0. Now look at the next example. This example will be a 3 by 3. So we have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you can look at this matrix again. It is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns, and have 1 on its main diagonal and 0 elsewhere. So that's why we call this the identity matrix again. Now I can give you more example of identity. Let's look at the 4 by 4. You have 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So again, you can see this matrix. It is the identity matrix because it have the number of rows and the number I'm so sorry, and the number of column. It is the same number. So this is a 4 by 4, and you can see that it does have 1 on its main diagonal, and then the rest will be just zeros. Okay, so now let's go back to the objective for this video. We say that for this video we want to learn to write the augmented matrix for the system of linear equation. Now let's answer the question, what is the augmented matrix? So what are the definition for us? So the augmented matrix for the system of linear equation So what it means to be linear when the degree is 1. Is a matrix that is derived from the coefficient and constant term of linear equation. Okay, so let's start with this example. So here in this example, given system of linear equation, Let me write out the system. I have two equations, so I have 3x minus 4y equals 6, and we have negative 5x plus y equal negative 5. Now from this system we can write the augmented matrix. So from the definition, it say that the augmented matrix is a matrix that derived from the coefficient. So let's go to the given linear equation. Look for the coefficient. These are the coefficient, the number right in front of the variable x and y. Now, if you don't have a coefficient in front of the y, by default it will be 1. Okay. So let's write out these coefficient. So we have 3, negative 5, negative 4, and 1. Next, you are going to, for your equal sign, you will draw a line. And then, constant. So constant, which is the number by itself without the variable on the right hand side of the equation. So we have 6 and negative 5. Now you go ahead and put them inside the bracket. So this is the augmented matrix to represent the given system of two linear equations. Now we call these two equations, they are linear equations because if you look at here, the exponent or the highest degree is just 1. You don't see 2, 3 or fraction. Okay, so this is how you write the augmented matrix from a given linear equation. This will be the conclusion for this video. Make sure you write down your own summary. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.